Tired of Instagram's bright white screen hurting your eyes at night? Want to switch to dark mode in just a few seconds? Let me show you the fastest and easiest way to turn it on. Welcome to Preyo Phonie. Today I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram step by step. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. Check that your app is updated to the latest version. Now you're ready to change your display settings. Step 2. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap your profile picture icon to open your profile page. This is where all your account settings are located. From here, you can control your preferences. Step 3. At the top right of your profile screen, tap the 3 horizontal lines. This will open the main menu panel. Inside this menu, you'll find all advanced settings. Now you're one step closer to enabling dark mode. If this quick guide is helping you, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more simple Instagram tips every week. Step 4. Scroll through the settings menu carefully. Look for the accessibility option in the list. This section controls display and visual adjustments. Tap it once you find it. Step 5. Inside the accessibility menu, you'll see display options. These settings help customize your viewing experience. Locate the appearance or theme-related options. Now you're ready to activate dark mode. Step 6. Find the dark mode option in the menu. Tap on it to enable the setting. Your screen will instantly switch to a darker theme. Dark mode is now successfully activated on your Instagram. And that's how easy it is to turn on dark mode on Instagram. Not only does it reduce eye strain, but it also saves battery on OLED screens. Small setting changes like this improve your overall user experience. For more powerful Instagram tutorials, keep watching Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and smart.